In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Visa gift cards on Amazon. This process can be a little tricky, especially if you're new to online shopping or using gift cards digitally. But don't worry, we're going to break it down into simple steps so you can spend your gift card on Amazon without any hitches. First things first, you'll want to ensure that your Visa gift card is activated. This is the most crucial step because, without activation, your card won't work anywhere. You can usually find instructions on the card or accompanying paperwork on how to activate it. Often, all you need to do is call a provided phone number or visit the card issuer's website. Follow the prompts to input the necessary details, such as the card number and the security code. Once your card is activated, check the balance. Again, you can do this online or on the phone. It's important to know exactly how much money is on your card so you can avoid any surprise declines. Be aware that some Visa gift cards might have activation fees, so make sure you're clear on how much you have available to spend. Now that your card is activated and you know the balance, let's move on to using it on Amazon. Begin by logging into your Amazon account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which just takes a few moments. Navigate to the Your Account section, which you can find by hovering over the Account Lists menu on the top right corner of your screen. Under the Your Account section, look for the option that says Add a Payment Method or sometimes just Payment Options. Click on that, and you'll see various payment methods you can add to your account. Choose to add a new credit or debit card. This is how you'll treat your Visa gift card. Enter your Visa gift card details here. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV, which is typically found on the back of the card. It's important to enter these details accurately, just as you would with any credit or checking account card. In the Name on Card field, it's usually fine to use your own name if the card doesn't have a registered name with it. With your card added, you're now ready to make a purchase. Shop for the items you want, add them to your cart, and proceed to checkout. At the payment page, select your Visa gift card as the payment option from the list. Here's an important tip: if your purchase exceeds the value of your gift card, Amazon won't split payments between a Visa gift card and another payment method like a credit card directly. To manage this, consider two separate transactions. Buy an Amazon gift card using your Visa balance, then use that Amazon gift card alongside another payment method during checkout. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate using a Visa gift card on Amazon. With these steps, you can confidently redeem your gift card on one of the world's largest online retailers. Happy shopping!